On March 19th, 2013, I realized I would have to walk the streets and the journey of my life alone. As I walk closely to embrace the ocean because of all the love and the emotions it absorbs and forces its beauty that continuously blows my mind. I wish I could live there forever, where the marine life is flourishing when I'm deep in the sea. I feel like it embraces me. I am it, and it is me. Free-flowing and innocent through the currents of this life. And I will, and I can. Watching the sunrise and watching the sunset, the moon rising and waiting for the stars to shine. The evening is grand adventure, the magic of twilight, being a mysterious warmth to the daily routine. Time covers it all and brings out the city's skyline of charm. Now everything is in order up until the morning awakening. Let's take one another and go and never look back. We have to remember to look ahead and predict this time is yours. Don't waste it. Everything is yours. Share it. Then we will be in peace, always trying to live each moment as we would our last. All these changes are new. Let's proceed. How about you? As I put this offering into the place I call home, the ocean, it consoles me and blesses me and cleanses me daily. I remember both days when you both had to go to heaven, Dad and Grandma. I know you're here with me, and you keep allowing me to live my dream. You're my guardian angels. Please continue to send me love and courage to keep living this life. I am the most grateful person for all the memories we have had, all the laughs, all the tears, and all the joy. Just remember, I love you and I miss you. I am your flower. As I throw this, I will always be with you. Keep my heart dancing and keep me happy. And I'll see you soon. Laszlo lives, and Grandma, I love you.